Scientific facts about number pi. A top list of facts about the history of the research and the value of number pi. The number pi is a mathematical constant commonly approximated as 3.14159. The number pi is a mathematical constant, the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter commonly approximated as 3.14159. One of the earliest known as records of pi belongs to an Egyptian scribe. One of the earliest known as records of pi was written by an Egyptian scribe named Ammius on what is now known as the Behind Papyrus. A German mathematician, Ludwig van Keulen, spent most of his life calculating the first 36 digits of pi. This is known as Ludwigsian numbers. In the 19th century, William Shanks managed to calculating the first 707 digits of pi by hand, but unfortunately he made a mistake after 527th place. The world record for memorizing the value of pi was set by Chalu of China. In 1995, Hiroyuki Goto memorized 42,195 places of pi. However, the current world record for memorizing the value of the pi was set by Chalu of China in 2005. Chalu of currently recited first 67,890 digits at a rate of 47 digits per minute. He had explained to recite 93,000 digits but made a mistake at the 67,889. In 1949, ENIAC took 70 hours for computing pi to its 2037 decimal places. In 1949, it took 70 hours to calculating 2037 decimals places of pi using an ENIAC. For modern day technology computing, pi is a test for a PC. In 2002, Hitachi SR8000 supercomputer worked over 400 hours to calculating pi up to 1.24 trillion digits. Nowadays, two records are being set regularly. J. Lambert and F. Lindemann proved that number pi is transcendental and irrational. In 1768, John Lambert proved that the value of pi is an irrational number because it can't be written as rational simple fraction. In 1982, F. Lindemann proved that its pi is a transcendental number, that it's not algebraic, it's not a non-constant polynomial equation with rational coefficients. In its mathematical sense, the symbol for pi was used for the past 250 years. The symbol for pi is has been used regularly only for the past 250 years. In 1737, Euler officially adopted the symbol to represent the mathematical value. Followers of mysticism think that Great Pyramid at Giza seems to approximate pi. Egyptologists and followers of mysticism have been fascinated for centuries, by the fact that the Great Pyramid at Giza seems to approximate pi. The first digits of the number Ariel pi mystery discovered in the barley field. A crop circle discovered in a barley field in Wiltshire measures 150 feet in diameter, and it's apparently a coded image representing the first 10 digits of pi. The result of calculating circumference of the earth by using pi. If the circumference of the earth were calculated using pi rounded to only the ninth decimal place, an error of no more than one fourth in 25,000 mi would be result. If you were to print a billion decimals of pi, it would connect NYC and Kansas. If you were to print a billion decimal values of pi in ordinary font, it would stretch from New York City to Kansas. Saurav Kumar Singh, roll number 16.